Ah, the Redknee tarantula, a curious critter indeed. This eight-legged wonder hails from the tropical forests of Mexico, but wouldn't you know they're more of a homebody? Yes, indeed, they prefer to laze about in their burrows rather than venture far. Now, you might think these hairy fellows are terrifying, but rest assured, they're as gentle as a lamb. Their venom is less potent than a bee's, although I wouldn't recommend trying to pet one. They're known to fling barbed hairs from their abdomen when threatened. Quite the unique defense mechanism, wouldn't you say? And here's a fun fact. They can live up to 30 years. Imagine 3 decades of lounging around. What a life. So next time you spot a Redknee tarantula, remember they're just friendly, hairy neighbors with a penchant for relaxation.